In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a basic function in N8N so you can transform and automate your workflow data. First, open your N8N workflow and click the plus button to add a new node. Search for the code node, which replaces the older function node in recent versions of N8N, and add it to your workflow. Next, choose whether you want the code to run once for all items or once for each item, depending on your use case. Then, write your JavaScript code. For example, you can modify a field, combine values, or create new data before passing it to the next node. After writing your code, save the node and click Execute Node to test it. Review the output to make sure your data has been transformed exactly as expected. Once everything looks good, connect the code node to the rest of your workflow and continue building your automation. And that's it. You've successfully written a basic function in N8N and can now customize your workflows with JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.